am Gapesh from Ensajinder Public School and Class 9, and today's podcast is on inclusive development as a path toward a Viksit Bharat.
Namaste and welcome to Youth Speaks Bharat Beyond Tomorrow. I am Samaira, student of Ensajinder Public School. I am from class 8.
Today we are diving into a powerful idea shaping India's future, inclusive development as a path toward a Viksit Bharat, a developed India.
That's right, and when we say inclusive development, we mean growth that reaches everyone, rural or urban, poor or rich, women, youth, the elderly, and people with disabilities.
Exactly. It's not just about the economic progress, it's about equal access to opportunity, dignity, and innovation. So, today we will explore how inclusion development is the bridge to a stronger, united, and truly Viksit Bharat.
Let's start with technology, one of the most powerful tools for inclusion.
From digital classrooms in remote villages to telemedicine in tribal villages, tech is helping us to leap over barriers.
True, take Digital India for example. It's brought government services online, expanded digital payments, and connected rural India to global markets.
Even startups are getting on board. Think of apps offering local language learning or farmers using AI-based tools to improve the crop yield.
Technology, when made accessible and affordable, becomes a great equalizer.
Now, what's a growth without sustainability, right?
Absolutely. Inclusion development isn't just people focused, it's planet focused too.
Whether it's solar energy in Ladakh or rainwater harvesting in Tamil Nadu, sustainable practices protect our environment and empower local communities.
And initiatives like National Green Hydrogen Mission show how India's clean energy shift can create jobs and cut emission.
Let's talk education because development starts in the classroom.
Well said. And inclusive education means ensuring every child, no matter their gender, location, or ability, gets to learn.
The NEP 2020 is a game changer here. It focuses on the fundamental literacy, mother tongue learning, and even vocational training for the real world skills.
Plus, tech-driven platforms like Diksha and ePathshala make learning more accessible than ever.
Here is something beautiful, our diversity.
Exactly. India's strength lies in its culture, languages, and traditions. Cultural unity means respecting differences and building harmony.
And initiatives like Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat promote this beautifully by connecting states to share art, food, festivals, and values.
Social harmony, especially across religion, caste, and communities, is key to a true, inclusive, and peaceful Bharat.
So, inclusive development is not just a goal, it's a mindset, a commitment to leaving no one behind.
It's a road to a Viksit Bharat where every citizen not only survives but thrives, contributes, and feels proud of their journey.
From tech and sustainability to education and unity, it's all connected.
Let's not wait for the future. Let's build it inclusively together.
Jai Hind.
Thanks for tuning in to Youth Speaks. If you like this episode, share it, discuss it, and be a part of the change.
Until next time, stay aware, stay inspired, and keep pushing for a better Bharat.
Thank
you.